Hello guys, I just created a song for you. Just listen to it.
Data flows, tech fees where the knowledge grows. Don't just watch, be part of it. Like and subscribe, don't quit. Like and subscribe, come join the tribe. Tech feed giving future vibes. Into content, can't deny. Hands to the sky with Tech Feed Live.
Hello guys, I'm doing great and wish you nothing but the best. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a song like this using AI for free and also copyright free. And you can use it anywhere on social media. Let's go ahead. Okay, all we have to do is going to suno.com. And here we have to sign in. We can use our phone number or Apple ID, Discord or Microsoft account, anything we want, and also Google account. I'm going to choose Google account. And now when I want to create a song, I have to go to create part. Here I have a place that I can create my song. Okay, as you can see, we have song description. So we can have a description about our song. For instance, the song I have created was about a song about subscribe and like on YouTube, and I can create really fast. That's it. These are my musics. I have 2 songs that I can play and I can download just like that. I can click on this and download the audio of that and also a video of that. And also I can play it now, just like this.
Scrolling through my feed all night, looking for the perfect site. Once you find it, don't think twice.
Suno is for free, but as we're using demo mode, we can create 10 songs every day. And you want more, you have to pay for that. Or maybe you can create more accounts. But this is not the whole story. Maybe you're not a musician, but you have your own lyrics and you want to create your own song in any style you want. Pop, I don't know, rap, gang, or anything you want. You can create that with Suno. We have more options for this. Okay, let's create our own song with our own lyric. So I'm gonna just press custom. Here we have the lyrics. So I can have my own lyrics. So I'm gonna create it using ChatGPT. Create a lyric about I love Reza. My name is Reza. For creating a song. There you go. This is our lyrics. I'm gonna paste it here. What type of style of music we want? I want hip hop, rap, hip hop. Yes, I want this style. And the title of that is I love Reza. Just that. There you go. This is my hip hop rap. Let's play it.
In the morning light, your smile shines bright, and let the hear the moment feel so right. With every laugh, you take my heart. Reza, you're my favorite work of art. I love Reza, oh can't you see? You bring the colors to my every dream. With you by my side, the world's a...
Another option we have, we can public this song. Actually, this music can be public and we can share it just with a click, just like that. And we can copy song link and just paste it here, and we can share it with our friends just like that, and they can play it too. And also we can extend this music just like this. Click on extend, and we can have more lyrics to extend this music, also like and dislike. Suno is not the only website you can create AI musics, but for now, it's the popular one. And also, if you like contents related to AI, we're going to be having more and more contents about that, because I think AI is the next revolution. Maybe we are within the revolution, I don't know, but AI is the key to success for now. And currently, we're going to be having a lot of new things about AI. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any problem or any question about Suno, don't forget to comment below.